In this video, I want to show you how simple it is to create an affiliate product in your WooCommerce store and then connect it via an affiliate link that you create over in your platform and connect it to the same product that you've created. And to create also a custom button with some custom text that you can see here, for example, buy now, and they will be different than what you usually sell on your WooCommerce store. Like I see here, the usual one is add to cart, and here we can see the buy now. So without further ado, let's dive right in. When I'm here in my backend where I'm currently right now in my products, I can see both of these products right over here, the classic hat and the shirt green. The usual approach for that, you would want to edit it. In my case, I have one of the products, specifically the classic hat, opened up over here in the added product, as you can see here. And what you want to do is head over to the product data over here and head over to this field and then open the drop down over here. And then you want to select the external affiliate product. And over here, you'll be able to see that some things have changed. So you want to change the product URL to the product URL that you want to connect to the specific product. In my case, I've already went to Amazon and I just picked up a random item. It's not specifically a hat that I want to promote, but just for the simplicity of it. Here I have the URL over here and I've put a demo referral link. As you can see here, we have the ref equals 1234, and you want to copy the exact URL as you can see here. Then head over back to the edit product and then you want to paste the URL right over here under product URL and just paste it. And here under the button text, you can see here that you can customize the button text to whatever you want to. In my case, it would be buy now. Now you can also show the price in the front end, as you can see here. For example, the regular price is 12 bucks, but let's change it to the actual price as we can see here. So it's from $5 to 23.48. In my case, I want to choose this hat and single and select size. Let's do one size. As we can see here, it's $7.93. So let's head over back to our edit product and then let's head over here, then put 7.93. You can also make a sale if there is a sale on this product, but other than that, you're done. So you want to scroll to the top over here and then click update. Now, when you view the product, so you can just click the preview changes over here and it will lead you to the exact product page. Now, as you can see here, we have the actual price, but when we click it, it will redirect us to the exact product that we just set it up. Let's click the buy now button. And as we can see here, it specifically redirects me to the exact product we just set it up. Also, the link URL is corresponding to what we just copied from the Amazon actual page over here. As we can see here, it is the exact same product. Now, if we'll head over to the other product, short green, as we can see here, it's different because it's an actual product on my WooCommerce store where people can buy it. Now, of course, it is different, but that's what I wanted to show you, that you can have different kind of products, whether it's a product physically or inside your WooCommerce store, or it's an affiliate product that you redirect your customers to the exact shop where you want your users to buy it from. Now, there are other kinds of products in WooCommerce, and two of them I've already made on my channel. The first one is how to set up a simple product on your WooCommerce store, and if you're not familiar with it, it'll be popping up right now. And if you want to, there is also a tutorial that I go step by step how to create a verbal product that will be popping up right now. So head over, watch these two if you need them. But other than that, yeah, that's pretty much what I wanted to show you in this video. I really hope this video helped you, and if it did, I'd be really glad to if you leave a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to my channel so you won't miss any tutorial that I post on WooCommerce, Elementor, and WordPress. And as always, I'll be seeing you in the next one.